Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm the Feline Techie, and I have a new setup. Look at that. So, without further ado, let me give you a tour. So as you can see, there's already a difference in the texture of the desk. There's no more wooden texture at all. But I still have the Pokemon mat, so that's not a difference. Also, it's now been a month with the M1 MacBook Pro, and this thing is so good. It's a great laptop. I'm so glad I got this. But yeah, I don't know if you guys like this new wider angle that you guys have. You know, you can see stuff on the table. Like this little upper part right here. You can see an iPhone. You can see my Nano, you can see my old iPhone SE. Maybe I'll put some more stuff up here if you guys want to see stuff like that. But not only do I have space for my iMac here now, as you can see I have not only my iMac, but I also have my PC. Like both monitors are here, so I don't have to sacrifice one of the monitors to have the iMac here. I actually have space for the iMac and the computer. But yeah, this desk has LED lights built in. That's such a nice feature. I like that a lot about this desk. And these shelves right here, you can't really see, but my Xbox One is right here. There's my PC. I have my Xbox actually connected to a capture card that connects to my PC, so if I wanted to, I could stream my Xbox if I wanted to stream on Twitch. Twitch.tv/EnzoWasTaken. Please follow me because I'm actually very close to 200 followers, and reading pressure fanfictions on stream would be such a funny idea. But yeah, look at that. Just a quick video showing off my new desk. The old one is still here. I need to figure out what I need to do with it. There's still a lot of stuff in there that I need to transfer over to this one, but I need to clear all my phones and tablets and stuff like that out of it so I can then bring it over here. Because this desk doesn't have drawers, you can probably tell. And my laptops are actually over here. You can see my stack of laptops. I accidentally dropped this section of laptops on the floor, but don't worry, all of them are fine. I checked all the screens, especially the 2015 MacBook Pro. That laptop is just fine. And yeah, I'm very excited to show you guys videos from this new setup. So say I'm doing something on the iMac and it's taking a long time, I could just watch something on my computer while it does its thing. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun with that. But yeah, thank you all for watching this video, and more videos from this new setup will be coming soon. And I'll see you guys in the next one.